Digital communication is instantaneous, but it is also highly volatile. In a group chat, a threat can appear and then vanish just as quickly. If a sender begins deleting messages before you can act, the window to report the incident closes. This behavior is often a deliberate attempt to cover tracks. By removing or editing posts, a bad actor destroys the specific details that a parent or teacher needs to respond effectively. At this stage, your responsibility is not to investigate the situation, argue with the sender, or confront the group. Your role is to preserve the information exactly as it appeared. Capturing digital evidence requires a precise technical sequence. It ensures that the record you deliver is unedited, verified, and ready for review by school authorities. Mastering this process ensures that when a threat appears, a student has the tools to intervene and help keep their peers safe. Speed is critical. The moment you identify a concerning message, use your device's screen capture function. Do not wait for more context or for the conversation to continue. A valid capture must show the entire screen, ensuring 4 elements are recorded: username, date, time, and the full message. Zooming in on only the offensive text is a mistake. As these metadata zones disappear, the lack of a timestamp invalidates the verifiable evidence. For conversations that span several screens, maintaining a clear chronological order is mandatory. When taking multiple screenshots, ensure the bottom of one image overlaps with the top of the next. This overlap proves that no messages were removed in the gap between captures. Capturing only a heated reaction while ignoring the messages that led up to it creates an incomplete picture. The record must include the structural buildup to provide full context. A complete digital record proves both the existence of a threat and the exact environment in which it occurred. Once the images are captured, store them securely on your device. Do not interact with the files until they can be handed over to a trusted adult. The file on the left is a pristine record. The one on the right has been edited, which destroys its reliability for school administrators. Never use photo editing tools to circle text, add comments, or cross out names. Any alteration to the original screenshot makes the evidence harder to verify. Privacy is just as important as integrity. You must not post the evidence publicly, forward it to peers, or use it to embarrass the people involved. Captured evidence must be locked down. It is for official reporting only, not for general discussion or entertainment. Sharing these images with classmates, even in private, spreads the original harm and violates the privacy of everyone in the conversation. Proper preservation is a dual responsibility. You protect the raw data from being altered, and you protect the incident from being spread further. The final step is a private handoff. The screenshots should be shown or sent directly to an adult you trust. This includes teachers, guidance counselors, parents, or a school's designated reporting officer. To complete the report, you must provide 3 details: where the message was found, the time you saw it, and the specific reason it concerned you. However, the procedure changes if a message implies an immediate physical threat to a person or the school. If there is a risk of physical violence, do not worry about screenshot details. Seek help from the nearest authority figure immediately. Under normal circumstances, a private and thorough report transfers the situation to the people equipped to resolve it. By following this process, you move from witnessing a disappearing threat to providing a complete, actionable evidence package. The goal is never to amplify the incident. It is to give the right people the information they need to respond correctly. The protocol relies on 3 core actions: save the evidence, protect privacy, and report responsibly. When students speak up and provide accurate information, school authorities can address bullying and threats before they escalate. When individual reports are handled with precision, it creates a clear picture of the digital environment, helping the schools stay safe.